The wrong wheel brush doesn't just clean badly, it leaves hairline scratches in your finish that show up the second you apply tire. I tested 7 wheel brushes from Amazon on gloss black, chrome, and powder coat to find the ones that are actually. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Wheelie All. This brush features soft synthetic bristles that gently remove dirt and break dust without scratching. The compact design works well for detailed cleaning around rim crevices and tire sidewall. It fits comfortably in hand for extended use and covers most standard-sized wheels. The bristles stay flexible even after multiple uses. The main limitation is the shorter handle for reaching deeper wheels. Still, for quick routine cleaning without the risk of damage, the Chemical Guys Wheelie delivers reliable performance. For detailers who prioritize soft bristles and proven brand reliability, the Chemical Guys Wheelie is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Mother's Car Wash Brush. This wheel brush combines a non-slip comfort grip with extra soft bristles proven safe for delicate finishes. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. A protective rubber bumper shields your wheels from accidental strikes during scrubbing. The lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces around the wheel and fender well. Its shorter length requires more arm movement than longer handle alternatives. However, the proven track record of the Mother's brand speaks volumes. For owners seeking a balanced brush with protective features, the Mother's Car Wash Brush is a reliable choice. At number 3, we have the VIKING Car Wash Brush. The extended 16.5-inch handle reaches into wheel wells and behind rims without excessive stretching or bending. Soft bristles clean effectively while maintaining paint and finish integrity across all wheel types. The longer reach cuts down overall cleaning time on larger vehicles or multiple wheels. The lightweight feel makes extended use comfortable. The longer handle does reduce control when working on smaller rim details. Still, for comprehensive wheel cleaning on trucks and large vehicles, this length advantage matters. For drivers with larger vehicles seeking deeper wheel reach, the VIKING is a capable. At number 4, we have the TAKAVU Master Wheel and Tire Brush. This brush features long soft bristles specifically engineered for scratch-free cleaning on any wheel. The design handles both narrow tire sidewalls and wide brake dust accumulation. The bristles maintain their shape and softness, repeated use and pressure. The straightforward design focuses purely on cleaning performance. One area to watch is bristle durability with very aggressive scrubbing. Still, for normal detailing pressure, the bristles hold up well over time. For buyers seeking dedicated wheel and tire performance, the TAKAVU Master is a focus. At number 5, we have the Detail Factory ProGrip Wheel Face. Premium soft flag tip bristles deliver both cleaning power and surface safety for high-end. The ergonomic ProGrip handle reduces hand strain during longer detail. The flag tip design penetrates crevices while maintaining a soft touch on sensitive finishes. Specialized bristle engineering sets this above basic alternative. The higher price point reflects the premium construction and materials. Nevertheless, for serious enthusiasts valuing wheel protection, this investment pays dividend. For detailing professionals and perfectionist owners, the Detail Factory ProGrip is a premium choice. At number 6, we have the Fitosy Wheel Rim and Tire Brush Set. This 2-brush set provides both soft and stiff bristle options for different cleaning situations on a soft bristles handle painted surfaces and clear coat wheels, with stiff bristles tackle tougher brake dust and embedded grime on tire sidewall. The dual brush approach gives flexibility for mixed wheel finishes across a vehicle. The stiff option can scratch if applied incorrectly to delicate finishes. However, the soft brush remains ideal for all general wheel cleaning, making this set beginner-friendly. For budget-conscious owners wanting multiple cleaning options, the Fitosy set is a practical choice. The last one on our list is the Kirovalis Wheel and Tire Brush. This soft bristle brush is engineered specifically for scratch-free cleaning on rims, tires, wheels, and exhaust tips. The long handle design reaches back wheels and areas where bent arms become necessary. Soft bristles penetrate dirt without aggressive scrubbing that causes damage, or the emphasis on protective deep cleaning makes this specialist. The limited track record with fewer recent reviews means less field testing compared to established brands. Still, the design focus on scratch prevention aligns perfectly with the video theme. For meticulous owners seeking maximum finish protection, the Kirovalis is a dedicated. That is all the best wheel brushes, keeping your rims spotless without the damage. Subscribe for more detailed testing and reviews on essential car care.